Hi guys, Deirdre from Earth Clinic. Today a quick video to show you how to make a solution of borax that provides 3 milligrams of boron per serving. This recipe was provided by Walter Last in his popular article entitled The Borax Conspiracy. Couldn't be any easier. It's going to take me about 20 seconds to show you how to do this. Now my readers on Earth Clinic usually start out with this low dose of the borax solution to see how their body takes to it. Following this video, I'll also be uploading a borax video showing how to make a solution for men that provides 115 milligrams and another video for women that shows how to make a solution that provides 55 milligrams of boron per dose. Okay, so I'm going to take one slightly rounded teaspoon of borax and add it to a 1 liter jar. We're going to add a little hot water to dissolve the borax. That's it. I'm going to fill up my mason jar with good quality water. I'm going to stir again. And there you have it. That's your solution. Now I'm just going to take a teaspoon, dip it into my borax solution, and take this once or twice a day. Now remember, this is going to provide 3 milligrams of boron per serving. You can store this solution in the fridge. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to Earth Clinic's YouTube channel for more interesting health videos.
Get it right.